Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're out here at Lake Balboa, what I believe is really a true gem here in Hot Springs Village, Arkansas. This is a lake that is 944 acres and it runs about 3 miles long. And instead of experiencing it from the shore, I'm going to take you on a trip out on the lake. We'll talk a little bit about the private beach that's here, the marina, the Sunset Grill that's on the lake here, and just show you some of the real estate that's on the lake and how beautiful it really is. And it's part of living here in Hot Springs Village is the outdoor activities that are available here in and around the lake. So let's get out on the lake. Hey, this is the Sunset Grill. It's a great place to end your day, and you can watch the sun go down in the west. It is beautiful. You can sit outside. Got great catfish here. You can pull right up and dock, go in and eat. Okay, now we're going to get over into some areas where we can go buy some beautiful homes, and we'll let you see those. Okay, we're going past some beautiful homes now. So real estate wise, on the lake right now, as of the making of this video, there are 6 properties on the market right now, ranging right now we've got one at 2.4 million, and the median price is 847,000. So it's a very strong market on the lake. It's usually in high demand for people looking for a second home. And really reach out to me if you're thinking about a move to Hot Springs Village or even a visit. I can help you arrange your visit, maybe some recommendations for accommodations, where to stay, maybe even take you out on the lake and show you around. I've done that with some clients that are interested in looking at property on the lake, and would be happy to get you out on my boat and show you around and show you what the lifestyle is here in and around the lake. Now, as of the making of this video, Lake Balboa was lowered so people could fix their seawalls. So they do that here. Once a year, they'll lower one of the lakes so you can fix your dock and seawall. And this lake is really just filled up. It needs a little bit more to get totally full, but it's pretty full right now. Great for summer. We just had a great 4th of July and the fireworks on the lake. They do such a good job with that. They do have a boat parade, lots of activity out here. Lots of enjoyment just going in and out of these coves and seeing these beautiful homes. One of the great things about this lake is it's a private lake, so you're not gonna have a lot of people on the lake except maybe during holidays like we just had with 4th of July, but it's usually 5 or 6 boats on the lake when I come out here in the morning, and they're pretty spread out. So it's nice that you're not on a big crowded lake like some places are in the big metro areas across the United States. All right, that wraps up our boat tour. I hope you enjoyed that. I did not do a lot of talking through the video because this place sells itself. Lake Balboa and Hot Springs Village, it's just a beautiful place. It is the largest gated community in the United States. You come here and you disconnect from wherever you're coming from when you come here. It's an active lifestyle. Getting out on the lake is just wonderful. You don't have to own a house on the lake, but if that's your preference or you're looking for a vacation home, I would like to help you with that. You may have some questions about what we saw on the lake, and drop them in the comments below, and I'm going to have a few videos at the end that may help you, and I can help you plan your trip here, maybe make some recommendations on a few places that you may want to stay. So again, this is Fred Monks with McGraw Realtors, and I'm here in Hot Springs Village, and love to help you find your next home, your next adventure with your family and friends. Again, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. See you on the next one.